Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can apply some transition to all clips at once in CapCut PC. Alright guys, here I have imported some clips to my CapCut project and I'm going to apply one transition to all those clips. So first of all, we need to open the transition right here. Just click on this transitions option and you're going to select a transition you would like to apply to your clips. And for me, I'm going to go with this one, this pull out transition, and we can click on this plus button to add this transition to our clips. Okay, and now the transition has been added and you can adjust the duration right here. You can go left and go right like this, and if you want to apply this transition to all your clips, you just need to click on apply to all. Okay, and now this transition has been applied to all my clips and I'm going to check it. I'm going to play the video. And I guess that's how we can apply some transition to all clips at once in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.